act of like coming together to cook together. In a way, it's more important than like how the food actually tastes. Hey everyone, happy National Day. My name is Lennard, and inspired by the colors of our national flag, I'm going to be making a very special XO sauce pizza. We're going to take a tomato sauce and we're going to add in a little bit of XO. My XO sauce is a very Asian style sauce. It's got tons of dried seafood in it and it's going to be so good on the pizza. Family dinners for us were always like Asian style, you know, with rice, soup, fish, vegetables and things like that. But on a special occasion, like National Day, we would all get together in the kitchen and make something a bit more special. And for us, that was always pizza. Now we're actually going to shape the dough, but if you don't want to deal with a mess or you just don't have time to roll it out yourself, FairPrice actually has a pre-made pizza base that's super convenient and you can just like load the toppings and just bake it off. National Day for me, I think the strongest memory is just like going to the National Day parade with my mom. I don't know why, she only ever got 2 tickets, so she only brought me. So like my sisters and my dad will like have to stay at home. That memory is like extra special to me because it's just the 2 of us and it's like a bit more, yeah. So as you can see, I haven't gone super crazy with how much mozzarella I'm adding. But if you love cheese, just go as crazy as you want with it. Let's get baking. I am very close to my mom. She's a huge source of inspiration for me. And one of the biggest memories I have is just like helping her in the kitchen, just cooking on the weekend. It was just fun. Wow, look at that. I think we managed to get the colors of the national flag. Look at the beautiful red and white. We're gonna finish it with some garnishes. A little bit more XO sauce because I want a really punchy XO flavor. Crispy shallots. Alright, so I'm super excited to try this out. Look at that super puffy crust that we got. Wow. So crispy. So even though the base of the pizza is the tomato sauce, that addition of XO makes a world of difference. Alright everyone, so this is my XO pizza. It's not something that I grew up eating, of course, but I think my mom is going to approve of this, so I'm going to share this with her. For everyone out there watching, happy National Day, and I will see you next time.